Hey folks, Alex here with Bay Cities Construction. I want to share with you a project that we just completed in beautiful Torrance, California. Our property owner is the Donofrio family, and they had a really customized kitchen. Let me show you some of the features. So as you can see, this kitchen is a galley kitchen. There's not a lot of space, so we had to be very creative with the storage options. The owners had very specific requirements for storage. This kitchen features toe kick storage. They're basically parts of the toe kick that you push on them and they pop out. So it looks really cool and it gives you a great space. Toe kick drawers are hidden and they're a great way to store a lot of your cookie sheets and other bulky items that you would use for baking. If you look at this close-up shot of the sink, you'll see that there's a sponge storage area. Now you got to be careful when you use this. You want to make sure you're putting in this, you wring out the sponge and you're putting it in there relatively dry. This kitchen features custom cabinets. They're custom in every way. This is a custom gray color specifically selected to be the perfect match for the backsplash and the countertops. The owner picked it out. Just look closely at the partition divider that's got the mother of pearl inlays on the doors. That's totally custom made. The homeowner bought the tile inserts and we put it in there for him. The backsplash that has minimal grout lines, it's a very durable product. We finished the edges with a metal lath edge. Nice clean way to terminate the tile. The countertops are quartz. This is a very specific taste, a very specific request. Some people like it, some people won't. The owner loves it, and really that's what matters. When we design a kitchen, we want you to love it. You're the one that matters. That they're non-porous because they're quartz, and they're very hard, so it's very difficult to get to chip them or damage them. You can put hot pans on the quartz without fearing that you're going to scorch it. The extractor over the stove, kind of a higher grade extractor with a higher CMF, which means it's going to do a good job of keeping your house clean. That's definitely a cool deal. Normally these units are also a little bit quieter than some of the less expensive units. If you look at the ceiling, there's a tongue and groove ceiling. This was not there before we actually installed it. The ceiling, I believe, was plaster. We scraped it, kind of prepped it for the T&G, and we put in those really cool recessed cans along the ceiling there. Really cool architectural features, really cool functional features. Again, the property owner had been thinking about this for a long time, so he had a pretty good idea of what he wanted as the vision for the kitchen. If you focus on the floor, you'll see it's a bamboo floor. We had to level it out. It's really important if you're gonna put the toe kick drawers that the floor is level, otherwise you're gonna have problems with the operation of the drawers. Our team was able to level the floor and have a nice even surface for the cabinets to sit on top of. It took a little bit more time, but you can see that the results are pretty nice. The seams between the planks on the floor are nice and tight. To the left, we also installed a new steel door with a window. Instead of putting another window on the wall and losing cabinet space, integrating a window into the door may be a good option to get you the breeze and the light that you want without sacrificing cabinet wall space. So guys, what do you think? Do you like this kitchen remodel? Post your comments below. Is it your taste? Is it something you'd like at your place, or is it not for you? I like to hear what your thoughts are. Remember, this is a very specific kitchen for a very special customer. This is a second project that we do for them. If you've been thinking about doing a kitchen remodel or bathroom remodel and you need some help with the design, or if you have a design and you just want help bringing your vision to life, please go to baycitiesconstruction.com and submit your info. You can also email us at alex@baycitiesconstruction.com. Send us the pictures of the area that you want to remodel, and we can set up a Zoom call and give you a free consultation via Zoom. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. I need you. You don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros. Now available on Zoom.